Hello kids, good morning all. Today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is a treat for mosquitoes. In our last video we saw that about the blood test, then symptoms of malaria and how is malaria detected. After that we saw the pathological report for the blood test, and then we find out the all mosquitoes spread malaria or not. So some mosquitoes spread malaria, that is means female mosquitoes spread malaria. And today we are going to learn about prevention is better than cure. So prevention means to avoid and cure means to correct anything that is troublesome. So it is sensible to stop an illness from happening in the first place than to have to deal with problems and worse health issues. While we can't completely avoid mosquito bites, some simple lifestyle changes can protect us from getting bitten by these insects. So how can we protect ourselves from bitten mosquitoes? How can we stop and prevent malaria? So to understand the preventive measures, we have to first understand the life cycle of the mosquitoes. So mosquitoes goes through 4 stages of life cycle, that is egg, larva, pupa and adult. You can see in the picture. This is the picture of mosquito life cycle. So first stage is egg, second is larva, third is pupa and fourth is adult. So mosquitoes lay their eggs on the surface of fresh or stagnant water or on a damp soil. Stagnant water means stop water. It is not a flowing water, and damp soil means a moist soil. So the mosquitoes lay their eggs on the surface of fresh or stagnant water or on a damp soil. The water may be in tin cans, barrels, ponds, swimming pools, puddles, ditches or marshy area. Marshy area means daldali area. So female mosquito may lay a lot of eggs means the eggs are stuck together. They float on the surface of the water. Next stage is larva. The larva, plural larvae, lives in the water and comes to the surface to breathe and hang upside down from the water surface. Anopheles larvae lie parallel to water surface to get a supply of oxygen. Baby mosquitoes are called larvae. The larva changes into a pupa. They flip off their tails towards the bottom or protective areas. This is the time the mosquito changes into an adult. The adult mosquito emerges. The newly emerged adult rests on the surface of water for a short time to allow itself to dry. The wings have to spread out and dry properly before it can be fly. So the mosquitoes goes the 4 stages of its life cycle, that is egg, larva, pupa and adult. You can see in the picture. So the first prevention measure is identify the breeding places of mosquitoes. Breeding means prajanan, means production of animals. That is the places suitable for the growth and development of mosquitoes. So mosquitoes breed and lay their eggs in or near water bodies. Any place that collect any form of stagnant water are breeding places for mosquitoes. So larvae of Anopheles mosquitoes or baby mosquitoes are found in a lot of places where rainwater is collected or is stored, such as tanks, pots, buckets, plant pots, discarded bottles, tires, shallow pools, etc. Once the breeding places are identified, prevent breeding, that is, prevent waterlogging or stagnation. So don't let water could around your house fill up the pits, waters. Water is locked in pits on the roads and also uneven surfaces in your surroundings, so which acts as a breeding place for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes usually breed in the excess water in potted pots or empty flower pots. So make sure you do not overwater these plants. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. So you can see in the picture potted plants with excess water, then unused pot filled with water, then stagnant water in cooler. We have to clean them. Then next is uncovered water tanks. So mosquitoes breed in such stagnant water, so cover them. Then open drainage system. As mosquitoes breed in such unhygienic places, so we should report to concerned officials. So next is stagnant water in tires, a breeding place for mosquitoes. Dustbin or trash can. Do you cover your dustbin when not in use? Yes, uncovered dustbins attract mosquitoes and allow them to multiply. Throw your trash every day and clean the bin once a week. So keep your surroundings clean or it can cause the mosquitoes to breed. These are some more breeding sites of mosquitoes, that is drums, buckets, tires, pots, cans, hand pump and so many unused items. Even few drops of water in the bucket or a bucket filled with the water that is not been used for many days can cause the mosquitoes to breed. So if you are going anywhere, either cover it or empty the bucket. So the first step was to identify the breeding in places and prevent water logging. But water logging cannot always be checked at all places. So the next step is, if there is a water logging, kill larvae, that is the baby mosquitoes, by spraying oil or chemical insecticides. Like in these pictures you can see spraying oil and chemical in the rice fields, drains, grassy ditches, accumulated water and flooded water. Now here is one question for you. So what will happen when oil is sprayed on the water? Most larvae hang to the water surface in order to breathe. When oil is sprayed on the water surface, a barrier is formed between larvae and the air, cutting off oxygen and suffocating the larvae and pupae. So this kills mosquitoes in their larvae stage before they develop into adult mosquitoes. And secondly, the oil film will prevent any mosquito from laying eggs as long as the oil film covers the entire surface of the water. There is one more way to kill larvae. Mosquitoes fish in pools and ponds. Fish eats mosquito larvae and pupae and kills mosquitoes in their larvae stage before they develop into adult mosquitoes. To kill adult mosquitoes, fogging or fumigation or outdoor spray may be done. Fumigation means धुआं देना. So fogging in the technique used for killing insects, in which chemical is sprayed producing thick fog. Then indoor spray of insecticides is also done to kill adult mosquitoes. Next step is to prevent entry of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can enter your house through windows and doors, and the only way to prevent their entry is to cover your windows and doors with nets, that is mosquito netting. After taking so many measures, mosquitoes are still there. So now prevent biting by using mosquito nets, long trousers, long sleeved shirts. Light colors generally attract fewer insects than darker colors. Then, by using mosquito repellents such as fabric roll on, repellent spray, cream, coil, liquid vaporizer, perfume sticks. Then, plants with the strong aroma that produce the fragrance are something mosquitoes don't like. So, grow rosemary, marigold, mint, or lemongrass around your home to keep mosquitoes away. So these are the preventive measures. We will continue our chapter in our next video. If you have any query, so you can ask me.